Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is Friday, December 6th, 2018, and this is the ServiceMonster Show 2.0. Okay, so before we dive in deep here, I just wanted to mention, again, a quick reminder. We're going to be doing these twice a month. We're going to be alternating between people, so don't get used to me. Don't worry. I won't scare you every single time. So we're asking for questions, comments, concerns, anything that you feel like we should talk about in the show. Go ahead and comment below. Give us some feedback. Awesome. So we want to start things off with the brain teaser. So we'll throw in a brain teaser here and there, and we'll give you guys the answer at the end of the show. So this time, we're going to hit you with the famous potato paradox. So let's just imagine that there's 100 pounds of potatoes. Oh, all right. So potatoes are actually 99% water. If we dehydrate the potatoes to 98% water, how much do those potatoes weigh now? Wait to find out. From everyone here at ServiceMonster, we wanted to wish a very sappy farewell to our product developer, Alex. He is moving on to some pretty cool things down in California.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson.
Drop a comment below, show him some love. And Alex, again, thank you for all you've done at ServiceMonster. We're gonna miss you, bud. Don't be a stranger. Are you a new user of ServiceMonster? If you are, we have webinars that you can join and learn how to use ServiceMonster, whether if it's an initial training or an advanced training, or if you've already gone through those initial and advanced trainings and you feel like you need a little extra hand on how to use the sales tools that we have in our software, or how to use a Kanban board, or maybe make a drip campaign, give us a call, email support, and we will shoot you over the webinar link so that you can go ahead and register for that. And in the last quarter or so, we've added a couple new features that I think will provide a lot of value for you guys. So if you haven't checked those out already, one of them is the invoice page. Now you can send a link to your clients to get your invoices paid. You must have Stripe or Authorize.net to use these features. So go ahead and check those out and use them. Also, if you haven't noticed, there's a refer a friend button on the upper right hand side of your ServiceMonster page. Fill out any of your friends' information. I'll reach out to them if they have a service business. If ServiceMonster looks up their alley and they sign up, I'll give you a free month of ServiceMonster, free 90 free. Couldn't get any better than that. Importing product and services. There's a new self-import on the settings tab. If you have any product and services that you have on another Excel file or something of that nature, you can import that yourself now. And lastly, managing your credit card, paying your ServiceMonster account. You don't have to call support anymore to update an expired credit cards and things of that nature. So you can go ahead and do that in the settings tab, or on the upper right hand side, there's a little drop down menu, and just click on manage subscriptions. And again, guys, if you guys have any cool ideas on features that would be beneficial to your service industry, not just your company specifically, put them down in the comments below. Chelsea, thank you so much for commenting on Smug. We saw your post there about a month ago or so, or longer than that, on how to reschedule the same job if it's taking multiple days. So instead of going into the work order and hitting schedule 30 times to put it for that whole month, there's a cool new quick add that we're working on currently that'll allow that process just to be, swept through so much faster, sleeker for you guys. Can't wait to release it here soon, so keep your eyes out for that one. Tip of the week. Adam had a great idea. Sometimes you guys do recurring jobs, but they're not set. Like, they're not every month or bi-monthly. You get a call from a customer that says, hey, can you do the exact same thing as last time? Cool. Go back to their work history, go back to that invoice, click copy, and put it on the schedule one more time instead of having to redo it again. It's just a little shortcut, save you guys some time. And a teaser answer. Drum roll, please. 50 pounds. I don't know how it works, but there's a link below that'll explain it to you nerds out there. I didn't understand it, so you don't have to be smart to do what I do. But guys, check it out. It's actually very interesting. From everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go check out the demo and give us a call.